Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a ladder, and I'm also going to show you how to set up the ladder gate. So if you don't know what a ladder gate is, it's this thing from Act 1 and Act 2 where you basically need the wrench to open it up, and then you can climb up the ladder into here. There's multiple parts you need for that. So first let's just focus in on the ladder, and then I'll show you how to set up the ladder gate. So I'll show you. Here we go. So we have the ladder, and we can just head up onto our little platform. You can head down off the platform. So it's pretty simple, honestly. All you have to do is type in ladder, then grab the first one. It should be BP_ladder. Drag it in, and then you can go over here to default, count, and then set that to a number. If you select off of it, you can actually just drag it. My experiences with dragging it is not very good. So just type in the number, because anytime I try to drag it, it always crashes my Unreal Engine. Or not Unreal. It always crashes my mod kit. So never drag it. Always just type it in. So just left click, type in a random number, go 15, enter. There you go. Just adds 15 steps. So the number that's in the count is how many actual ladder bars there will be. So there's 15 ladder bars. Now you may see the arrow, and you may see these boxes, and you're probably like, hey, what does that mean? So the arrow is the direction that you have to walk into it. So you have to walk that way into it. And then the box is the actual area you can climb. So let me show you. So the box is on this side. The arrow is on this side. So let me show you. If I try to climb up this way, I can't climb it up. But since the boxes are on this side, I can climb up this side. Then I can jump down if I want to. And then you can put it to whatever platform. So I'll just grab this one I did before I started recording. Just grab this. Drag it on. Now let me show you a common problem when you set it up like this. So a common problem that seems to happen with me, but I've seen it happen in other mods too, is when you can go up perfectly fine, but then when you try and go down, it'll like bounce like that, and it'll go down. So it's really simple fix. All you have to do is just add one more onto the count. So mine's 15. Let's add it to 16. You'll see it goes up one more. Now if we try it, it should work perfectly every time. So we'll go up. There we go. And we'll go down. Perfect. That's how you set up the ladder. Now, really quickly, let me show you how you set up this. So this is called BP ladder gate. So basically what this does is it basically means you have to have a wrench in order to get to the ladder. Kind of like in Act 1 and Act 2. So let me show you. So we'll get rid of the platform. We'll get rid of the ladder for now. We're going to grab our ladder gate. We're going to rotate it. And then you're going to want to have something behind it, because this back piece is open. I personally don't like that the back piece is open. So what I do is I just grab ladder_fire_door_right. Don't know why there's so many underscores. I just grab it, and I like to just stretch it so that it covers the back. Honestly, I think that looks best. If you're not having an actual back piece on it, I think that just looks pretty good. I feel like it matches on with it, because of all the fence mesh and stuff, and the wood. I just think it looks best. I think that matches on. You can put whatever you want behind there. You don't even have to put anything behind there if you want to, but you definitely should if you want to avoid any glitches or problems with your mod, because a lot of times you could get stuck behind there. So that's why I just like to put this back here, because it just kind of blocks it up so that you can't get stuck behind the ladder. So we'll just put that in really quickly. I've done this in I think 2 or 3 of my mods before. Just do that. There you go. So just cover up the back with anything. It doesn't even have to be. It doesn't have to be this. I just put that because it looks best. If it's just open, you'll notice there's a little platform there, so you can connect anything you want to that. But you may realize, hey, you know, there's no bolt on here. What do? So first, what you want to do is you want to go to your content folder. You want to go to Act 1. No, you don't want to go to Act 1. Hold on. You want to go to Objects. You want to go to Act 1. And then right here is BP underscore screw nut. You're going to want to drag that in. And you can just line that up with the little hole here if you want to. We'll just quickly put it on. Just nothing fancy, just slap it on really quickly. And now you may test it, and you may be like, hey, you know, it worked when I used a wrench, except it doesn't actually, the doors don't actually open. That's because we didn't connect it. So in order to connect it, you click on the nut, and you go under here to gate, click on it, and click on BP ladder gate. Now you want to grab your wrench. You want to go back to the content folder, then type in wrench. You should find it. I guess I don't know how to type. There you go. BP wrench. Grab that. And we can put our ladder in. So once again, we'll go and grab our BP underscore ladder. And you want the one that looks like this. This is the one that you want. And then make sure that the box is on this side and the arrow is on that side. The arrow is pointing to the back, and the arrow and the box is in the front where you would climb up. Then you can change the count to, let's see. So I'd say probably about 20, 25 maybe. If you're doing this. Let's try 25. I don't actually know, because the last time I used it was, I don't actually remember the last time I used it. And the last time I used it was in Hello Puzzle V2. That's one of my mods that I've made. I've made 4 mods, I think. One was for a YouTube video, and then 3 I just made because I made them. So let's try 7. There we go. 27 is the height. So if you put in 27, this should line up perfectly. You may say, hey, you know, this is, you know, kind of going over. You want it to go over. Otherwise, you know, it'll do that weird glitch where you like hop back and forth and around in a circle like that. So now, if we go in, you can see this is locked. You grab the wrench. You can do that. And you can climb up onto the platform, and you can climb down. So there you go. So yeah, that's how you set up the ladder, and that's how you set up the ladder with the BP ladder gate. So one thing you guys for watching, make sure to like, subscribe, ring the notification bell, and let me know what you guys want to see next. So I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.